Hi, I'm Trish, and today I'd like to show you a very quick way of shortening a zipper. For this you're going to need a zipper, a pin and a threaded needle. So let's have a look at our zipper. Zippers are generally measured from the very top here to the bottom of the stop. So if you want to know what length zipper you have, take a tape measure and run it down. So this zipper here is 7 inches or 18 centimeters. Let's say I want to reduce it by an inch, or I could reduce it by as much as I wanted to. The first thing you need to know is how much you want to reduce it by. Let's say I want to make this 2 inches shorter. All I need to do is put my tape measure at the bottom stopper, measure up 2 inches and place a pin or place a fabric marking in that spot. So this is a regular nylon zipper. This method will work with metal zippers as well. You can use this to customize garments to any size you like, or generally you might want to change the zip size because you're sewing it into a bag. So take your needle and thread and make sure you have a small knot at the end of it. We're using our needle and thread to recreate this stop here at the end of our zip. All you need to do is make sure you have a small knot on the end, take your needle and bring it up from the bottom of your fabric just on where you placed your mark, either with a fabric pen marker or with your pin. And all we're going to do now is just do a couple of stitches across those nylon teeth and under, and we want to bring it up in the same place. So what we're doing is basically creating a small buttonhole, a button stitch. We want to have a line of stitches very, very close to each other, almost on top of each other, and we want to create it around about the same width as this stopper here, which is around about 3 mils, which is about 1/8 of an inch. So when you have that in place, just secure that off, and I'm going to do that by creating a knot. And I'll do it again, so I'm just going through those stitches and looping that thread around. And now I'm going to cut that thread off. So we want the zipper to look really nice from the front. Now you need to have a look at that tape measure again. So if you see there is an inch from the top of the stopper to the bottom of the zipper tape, and that's what we need here. So come to the top of your stitching, measure down 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimeters, and place another mark. So you can place that mark either with a fabric marker or a pin. And now you're going to need a very sturdy pair of scissors, especially if your zipper is metal, and we're going to cut directly across the tape like so. And that is how you shorten a zipper. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to jump on over to my Facebook group, you can see what people have made with my sewing patterns, and you can get notifications of the latest releases. Hope to see you again soon.